If you've been trying to figure out how to get more sales on Etsy, or if you are just trying to figure out a way out of your 9 to 5, you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or even if you just want to make some extra income on the side, this video is for you. So I read a few articles on Etsy about how to optimize your listings, how to convert viewers into sales, and one of the main things they were saying was the keywords, the titles, and also the photos matter a lot. But basically, everything in the listing should be filled out as a keyword toward whatever the product is that you're selling. So we finna do a test on one of my Etsy listings to see if I change and tweak a few things, will that get me more sales? So we can see if it really works. Even if you just wanted to learn more about keywords, how to actually fill out an Etsy listing, or even if you wanted to learn about the title or whatever, I'm going to show you all of that in this video. This don't only have to be if you're selling Kindle inserts, but that's what I'm selling. So that's the example I'm going to be using. So first, I start off by typing Kindle inserts here in the search bar. And then I'm going to look at the first few lines of the items that pop up. I'm going to look at the pictures and look at like the background. I see for this one is similar to my type of pictures that I posted for my Halloween inserts. And then the video is similar to the original inserts that I posted. The original inserts that I posted, I'm going to show you here. And then the Halloween inserts, I'll show you here too. So this is similar to something that I already have. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to look at it. So the background is like calm. The insert is the main. It's the main thing. It's in the middle. It is the most colorful. It's popping off of the screen. Even though the bed, the sheets, it kind of pop off too, but the insert is more busier than the bed. So I'm gonna look at the title next. Trendy pink collage Kindle case insert, bookish merch, clear case insert, edgy checkered print book talk. So one thing that I learned from the Etsy article that I read, they said make your titles clear and make them short so that the reader can or the shopper or the customer can read it easily and there won't be any confusion. Like, this is an okay title from what I read, but something better would probably be trendy pink collage Kindle insert. But also by adding the bookish merch and all that stuff at the end, that's probably a plus for this title, because the beginning of the title, trendy pink collage Kindle case insert, is telling what it is, and then the rest is just like extra keywords, I guess, that they added on. So that's not too bad. So now I'm going to look at their description to see about this item. I see that their description is very simple. So I see that already from my description. For my listings, I did use AI, but now I got to go back and tweak them from a human perspective. My description is extremely long for no reason. So I see their description is straight to the point. Book Talk called and we answer. Spice up your Kindle or reader. We offer a wide variety of Kindle accessories to match your aesthetic. Each insert will be cut to the exact measurements of your device. The measurement will be listed below. It tells all the models of the inserts that they offer. And then it says don't see your device listed. So it's giving you details on, if you don't see your device here, make sure you message us, because we can offer that also. And then it makes sure that they know that case is not included. Inserts can be purchased separately or as a bundle. All bookmarks and inserts have the option for matte or laminate or glitter finish. I like that because I want to offer glossy and matte too, but I just been like kind of overwhelmed to add that, so I haven't added it yet. Our shop also offers customization on all of our products, wholesale, options available. That's good. Customization is pretty cool to add into the description to let them know that you could do whatever they ask for. And also, I had somebody actually ask me, can I make a customized insert for them? And I did tell them yeah, but they never got back to me or whatever. But I did add that listing to my Etsy shop, but I just hurry up and put it up there just in case they wanted to purchase. I didn't optimize it. So now we're going to go back to the inserts and we're gonna look at this one. So this is a Halloween insert, pink Halloween Kindle insert, spooky vibes Kindle case decor, PDF download. I think this is a really good title. Pink Halloween Kindle insert, spooky vibes. Now I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I keep running out of space. I'm gonna give me an SSD soon, y'all. But I keep seeing this Kindle insert every time I search Kindle insert. So they did a really good job with this because this one is at the top now. And I keep seeing it. It's not hard to find this one. So let's read their title and description. And then we're going to go into making or optimizing mine. Pink Halloween Kindle insert, spooky vibes Kindle case decor, PDF download. So they made sure that they let you know that it's a download. It's not an actual thing that they send to you. And then the title is short, easy, simple, to the point. Spooky vibes, Halloween printable Kindle insert. That's the first thing in their description. So the keywords is spooky, Halloween, Kindle insert. And then it says get lifetime access to all of the Kindle inserts in my shop for present and future. Okay, so they offering some type of subscription or something. Halloween, fall, Kindle insert bundle. Those are also keywords. Halloween, fall, Kindle insert. Keywords. Get ready to haunt your Kindle with this chillingly cute books and spooky vibe insert. Featuring a ghost, book lover, eerie haunted house. These are all keywords. A fun mix of pink and spooky elements, Halloween vibes with a dash of quirky charm, whether you're into ghosts. All of that goes into each other. All of it goes into the Halloween vibe. And all of it is describing this insert. All of it is describing the product, which is what Etsy said that you should do. So basically, this seller knows what they're doing because they're using the stuff that I read that Etsy said that you should do. They said in your first few words in your description, you should be saying what the product is about. You should be using all type of tags throughout the whole listing. That means in the description, in the title, in the attributes. If you don't know what attributes is, that's where it tells you what color the product is, what it's made out of, and just describing all the details. There's a box for specific tags, which are keywords that you would put, where you would probably put Kindle insert for Halloween or Halloween Kindle insert. Also, Etsy said that you should be putting long tag keywords instead of Kindle and insert. Kindle insert would be better together than apart. It would be stronger together than apart. So if you have Christmas Kindle insert, that would be stronger as one than Christmas Kindle and insert. And this person is doing that here, even in the description. But they said if you put those specific tags in the tag box, use different keywords in your description. That way your listing is flooded with keywords, and that makes it easier for Etsy to be able to push your products to who is looking for it. Okay, so I feel like we had enough of looking at other people inserts and how they're doing theirs. Now we're going to go into optimizing my Etsy listing as a real live example. I can't see all of their behind the scenes type stuff, so when we go into mine, we're going to be able to see the actual behind the scenes stuff. So this is saying one factor risk, lowering your search visibility. And I be ignoring that because like I said, I haven't been having the chance, or I wasn't ready to optimize it just yet. Make your titles even clearer to buyers. And this is what I read in the article when I was at work. Update your listing titles to help boost buyer confidence. Updating your titles could help buyers more easily identify what you're selling. Our title recommendations include specific words and key details while removing vague terms and pricing info. You can accept or edit any of our recommendations. Okay, so we're going to go to review listings. We're going to do one for the sake of the video. See, they changed my title to this one specifically, Halloween Kindle insert pink spooky reader case. This is a long title. Let's go to the actual, hold on, let's go to the actual listing. Let's go to the actual listing. You see how long this title is? Halloween Kindle insert pink spooky reader paperwhite oasis case physical Kindle cover Halloween reading aesthetic digital bookish. I used AI to make this listing just to make it easy, just so I could get it listed and posted. But this title really don't make sense, and at first glance it would confuse a buyer and they probably wouldn't want to purchase it. And I feel like I could do better with my listing photos, but we're gonna work on one thing at a time. First, I'm gonna optimize through the actual keywords and listings and stuff. But this is not the one I want to optimize. I'm gonna optimize a non-seasonal one. We're gonna do this one. So we're gonna change this to girly. We're gonna say luxury girly Kindle insert. I feel like it could get better, but we gonna start off with that luxury girly Kindle insert for e-reader. Wait, luxury girly Kindle insert. Let's go back and look at some other ones. Let's look at this one. Pink Halloween Kindle insert, spooky vibes Kindle case decor. Okay, luxury girly Kindle insert. Girly lifestyle Kindle case decor. Lifestyle. Oh, they want me to write it like that. Okay, cool. So that title is cool. Now we're gonna go down. Ready to give your Kindle the glow up it deserves. No. So we're gonna take that away. We're gonna take that away. We're gonna take all of it away. And I'm gonna say fits all Kindles. Okay, so I'm gonna take y'all out of the computer because I keep running out of space, so I just want to hurry up and get this done. I'm gonna show y'all what I have and what I'm gonna change on the listing. So we changed the title, luxury girly Kindle insert, girly lifestyle Kindle case decor, and then we changed the description. I made it shorter, insert available, and then this is only, I basically put what they could be expecting, and then I just gave them a reason to buy it. With, they usually say you're not selling a product, you're selling a feeling. So I put this here about you want to boss your Kindle up, start with the bougie luxury Kindle insert, just to give them a feeling of like excitement when they're looking at it and reading through. And then I just also said this is a physical Kindle insert, so it will be shipped to you, just in case there may be any confusion. Then we go down. I did change the quantity from 49, I believe, to this much. And then we go down. I just made the prices even because this was $13.49. I just put it at $99. Didn't have to change this. I'm going to play around with this right fast and see what I could change this to. Okay, so I changed this to this. I changed it from books to tablet and e-reader cases. I'm not so sure how that's gonna do, but I do know that the book category hasn't been doing as well for my listings. And then also next time in the next video, we're gonna go more into the analytics. I'm gonna also show you a quick glance at that, but first I just want to say I had it under book accessories and bookmarks, but this is literally a e-reader, so people are typing in things that have to do with e-readers and not bookmarks or things like that. So I wasn't really thinking about that at first, so I changed it. It said this listing will appear in 8 related categories, including bags and purses, books, movies, and music, and more. And Etsy said that in the article. It's good that it has those subcategories as well, because that'll help it get out more to the right person also, and to whoever is looking for it. They said in the article, like, don't worry about it being in these type of categories if it lands under bags and purses and books. Whatever the category is, as long as you got the right actual category, which is tablet and e-reader cases, the subcategories will help boost it. For the attributes, I'm going to keep this the same. The primary color is pink. The secondary color is brown. And then the materials, I have to fill this out because Etsy said fill out everything. These are all keywords that's going to help your listing. So I'm going to fill this out and I'll be back. So for the materials, it didn't have like printer. I'm thinking it was going to have ink. It just had things like this, and then things like actual like, so these are all the ones that apply to the Kindle insert for me. And then no glitter, built-in stand, no. And then I'm going to show all attributes. I'm going to fill the rest of this out. I'll be back. Okay, so I finished filling out the attributes. I guess these are attributes, yeah. Yep, all of the attributes. And I really like this. It says theme. I like this. And it said choose holiday. It's not a holiday thing, so I didn't choose it. I forgot what Etsy said about that. But for these type, the fabric, Etsy did say choose the closest option to whatever type of, even if it's not a fabric, choose the closest option. So for that, I chose canvas and I chose vinyl or vinyl, however you say it. But yeah, I just chose that just to fill it out, just to give it some more optimization. Now I'm just going to fix all the keywords. I have Kindle insert, book talk, aesthetic Kindle, book accessories. I'm going to clear all these out and then redo them. Also, another thing that Etsy said in the article that I read is you don't reuse tags. I think I said that earlier in the video, but you don't have to reuse the same tags if you said it already in your description, if you said it already in your title. Each place where it gives you the option to type something, you want to type something in the same category but a different way of wording it. I put bougie in the description, but I spelled it B-O-U-G-I-E, and this time I'm going to spell it B-O-U-J-E-E, bougie Kindle insert. Here, as you see, they're telling me you got 1 to go, and they saying it with an exclamation point. Like, they're encouraging you to use all the tags, and that's another thing that they said in the article. Girl, it is 4:05 a.m. and I do gotta be up for work I gotta go to work at 2:45. But we filled out everything here, all the 13 tags here, all the 13 materials here. So we just go ahead and publish. We just gonna go ahead and publish them changes. Boom. So this is the one we made the changes to. I think the photos is pretty good. These are my overall analytics so far. So we're going to see if that made any changes. I want to go to that listing specifically. Hold on. So this is that specific one. The luxury Kindle insert. This is what I just changed it to. So we just going to keep an eye on it and see if anything changes within the next few weeks. If and when we start getting more impressions on this specific one, then we know that we did something right, and then we're going to do that to the rest of them. But for the sake of this video, I'll probably just do the rest off camera anyway. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the update. Comment and let me know what content you would like to see from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.